It's going to start off as an idea. This idea is going to come from a private citizen, the president, special interest groups. Someone's going to come up with an idea. The idea is going to be introduced, and then it's going to be numbered. HR1, for example, or S1, HR for if it's introduced in the House, or S1 if it's introduced in the Senate. Now, after it's introduced, it's going to be sent to the appropriate committee. So I'm not going to send a bill about farming to the Finance Committee. I'm going to send it to the Agriculture Committee. So it's going to go to the appropriate committee. Now, in those committees, we're going to have committee chairmen or committee chairwomen. And they have life and death power over the bill. They decide what to do with the bill. They could pigeonhole the bill or just ignore it. They could pass it. They could kill the bill by a majority vote. They could also replace the bill with another bill, or they can mark up the bill. So they can make amendments to it, make changes to it, and then suggest it for passage. After it's referred to the committee and it gets out of the committee, then it's going to go to the floor for debate. They're going to debate the pros and the cons of the bill, and they might suggest amendments or changes to the bill. Then they're going to vote on it. If it passes, then it's going to go to the other house for approval. Now, we're going to have conference committees. Conference committees are going to be committee members from the House and the Senate who worked on two different versions of a bill. They're going to work together to get one identical or one bill that is the same, one version that's the same. After that, after it passes that committee, then it's going to be sent back to the House and the Senate for approval. After it passes in both houses, then it's going to be sent to the president for passage. Make sure we know that. The president, he has options that he can do to the bill. He can sign it, he can veto it, he can pocket veto it. Make sure we know all of those. Now, if he does not sign it and he vetoes it, Congress has the power to override it. 2/3 of a vote of the House and the Senate. If they get 2/3 of both the House and the Senate, they can override the presidential veto. Now, understand that it's very difficult to override a presidential veto. All right, that's it.